Deepavali, the beautiful festival of light, brings hope and joy, and diyas and candles form an integral part of it. Traditionally, clay or mitti ke diyas along with brass diyas have been used to hold the beautiful flames. The plethora of brass diyas and candles in the market can be confusing. Some of them look great but struggle when it comes to functionality. As these are long-term additions to our homes, before buying other than aesthetics, we must consider functionality and ease of usage. Another important aspect is that their actual appearance is way different than the online image. In today's video, let's see a range of brass diyas, wax candles and LED candles along with their usefulness and limitations. Let's get started. If you're looking for a deep diya which can stay lit for long, then go for these types of diyas. They're great as Akhand Jyot diyas, especially in big festivals and pujas when diyas need to continuously stay lit. Its jyot is different. You get these types of big thread jyot for Akhand diyas. In the same category, you get another beautiful style with glass and top cover which protects the wick to extinguish. It helps diya to stay lit continuously for long. It looks classy and aesthetically pleasing. But be careful while handling it as the top lid gets hot when diya is lit. The most common brass diyas are these small traditional diyas for everyday puja. They look good and create a beautiful aura all around. You can get these in different designs, shapes and sizes. You also get these with a stand which is better, otherwise for the common diyas you would need a plate underneath. They are apt for small home temples. The sets are great as return gifts for occasional pujas, havans and ceremonies. This stunning puja lamp has one big and deep diya that is in the center of the stand and 5 smaller diyas resembling the petals of a flower surrounding the main diya. This is great for big occasional pujas and aartis. The handle makes it convenient to perform puja. Small diya can stay lit for short duration only, whereas big diya will keep burning for long. So it can be little extra work of refilling the oil in smaller diyas. These are traditional diya lamps which are commonly used for ages. They usually come in a pair and are placed on each side of the temple. They look nice when lit and enhance the beauty of the temple. These specific diyas have limited oil capacity. They can be good as occasional use as lighting them is little tricky and time consuming. As multi-wicks are used in these lamps, sometimes few wicks go inside the oil and you need to keep bringing them back. Also, a lot of people complain about oil dripping from the wicks on the floor. To avoid that, use plates underneath. They are very commonly used as return gifts. Buy it only if you can handle them or use it just as a decor piece. These days you get amazing decorative diyas which add elegance as well as style in home decor. They are not only meant for temples but can be used as decorative pieces in different areas of your house. Like this is a beautiful decorative crystal diya which provides a unique and vintage look to your home. Another one is this aesthetically made flower-shaped brass diya. Amazingly beautiful and apt as a Diwali gift. But as they are big in size, they are not suitable for everyday puja and small home temples. These days you can also find puja thali attached with diya and bowls for kumkum and haldi. They look nice and are good for occasional use but a little difficult to clean. Although few of them can be detached for cleaning. Also, diya is not very deep so can't run for longer duration. Hanging diyas look beautiful and you get easily attracted to them due to prettiest designs and sizes available in the market. But are they worth buying or useful? Well, if you have a separate mandir at home, they can be hung inside or outside depending on your choice. They really change the entire look but personally I do not prefer to lit them as they can be a big fire hazard if by any chance they fall off from the hanger. These small ones can't even hold much oil, so buy it only if you want to use it as a decorative piece. Alternatively, you can buy these hanging lamps which not only make any space stylish and elegant but also serve the purpose as well. They are also light in weight. Just put the LED candle lights and they will start glowing. Let's talk about candles now. Very common ones are these cylindrical shaped candles. They are very affordable and commonly used, but like any other open flame, they can pose fire hazards. Also, they melt from the sides and all the wax gets accumulated on the ground, making it difficult to clean. Best alternative are these tea light candles, which are no mess and versatile candles. They come in these cups, so wax does not come out, and as they are small, there is no fear of them falling. And they can be used in all the places, on the floor as regular candle, in the water as floating candles, and as tea light candles. They come in different colors as well as in fragrances. Drawback is they don't last long as they are very small and many times a lot of wax at the bottom gets wasted. Next are these big cylindrical candles, which are again very commonly used. They also come in different sizes, colors and fragrances. They last longer and don't make a mess. They are mostly used with candle holders to make any space look aesthetically pleasing. Commonly used in candlelight dinners and spas. And yes, they are a bit pricey. Next are these aroma jar candles that can help enrich the ambience of your home. They are non-messy candles which look good as they are. Means they themselves are used as decor pieces. They come in glass jars with a lid. So they are safe to handle and can be stored easily if the wax is not finished. They come in amazingly pleasing fragrances which are a great add-on and make your house smell great. They can be used in festivals, dinners, meditation, decor, photography, etc. And as they last for hours, they are the perfect choice. Many people like me try to avoid overuse of candles due to kids or pets at home. So the best alternative for these flammable candles is battery-operated LED candles. Commonly used are these small ones with on-off button at the bottom and wick on the top which blinks. They are versatile, very safe and can be used anywhere. I personally like to use them in hanging tea light holders and for table decors. Drawback is they are flimsy and don't last long. Most of them are one-time usable only. In these you get bigger size as well which look like candles and can be used as they are or in tea light holders. They last a little longer than smaller ones. In this category of LED candles you can find big candles as well which look like real candles only. Recently I bought this set of 3 candles in glass jars. All 3 candles are of different sizes. These are not flammable but battery operated candles and they can be operated from the remote as well. Their flickering flame technology creates the illusion of real flames. Flame has 2 modes, flickering and constant light, and 4 brightness modes. You can also put a timer on this to switch it off automatically after certain hours. No mess and very safe candles, especially for homes with kids and pets. Look so real and classy. And they're perfect as a Diwali gift for your loved ones. If you're looking for useful Diwali gifts for your family and friends and are confused, then you can check out our recent video on 10 best and useful Diwali gifts ideas. Link is given in the description box. I've also mentioned the links for all the products shown in the video in the description box. Modern times may have changed our diyas, but still nothing comes close to traditional simple clay diyas or mitti ke diyas. Setting them up, the whole process of involvement makes it so loving and mesmerizing. Their presence with Rangoli is nothing but wow. Last but not the least, I want to highlight that please avoid any placements or usage that can pose fire hazards. Make sure children enjoy them from a distance. Wish you all very happy and safe festivals. I hope I could make it a little easier for you all to decide which diyas and candles you should buy this Deepavali. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next Saturday. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.